Black churches became central institutions in African American life during and after slavery, denied access to formal education and public power.
But with the mind.
Black communities built independent churches that functioned as places of worship, learning, organizing, and mutual support. Gospel music developed within these spaces, drawing from spirituals, call and response traditions, and biblical narratives. Gospel emphasized collective participation and emotional expression. Songs were learned orally and shaped by congregational response. Churches served as informal training grounds for musicians, speakers, and leaders. Choirs, hymns, and sermons developed musical skill, discipline, and public presence. This tradition produced performers and composers who later shaped American popular music, from blues and jazz to soul and rhythm and blues. Gospel was not designed for commercial success. It was designed for community. Through music, Black churches preserved history, transmitted values, and sustained collective identity across generations. This is one of the foundations of American musical culture.